Okay, this is lesson 3 for KOPA volunteer training. What we're looking at today is digital editing. And the program we use is called Cool Edit. This is a very old program. It has since been bought by Adobe and renamed Adobe Audition. But the Cool Edit that we have, it's like 10, 12 years old, works perfectly well. Adobe Audition, very similar, just the graphics are different. What you have is a main screen here with your record button right here. When you push record, it asks you how you want to sample this. Well, the default is 44:1. Use the default in stereo, 16-bit, push OK, and you're off and running as far as recording. We have a microphone plugged in right now. You see down at the bottom the meters. Hello! Meters are bouncing down there. You want that to meter out at about -3, which is just one touch over from the right-hand side. When you're done, stop it right there. And there's the waveform of what you've recorded. Now this is very low level, so one of the things you might want to do is amplify it. Transform, amplitude, amplify. Choose how much you want to amplify it. This time let's say 6 dB. And we'll say OK. It goes through and you see the waveform increases. You can also edit. For example, let's say we don't want anything, or let's say we don't want that where I spoke very loudly there. Let's just remove that. So drag the cursor across there, hold down the left click, and you will see it highlights the section. Choose Edit and Cut, and it's gone. This is non-destructive editing, so let's say you took out something you didn't want to. You can always go to Edit, Undo, and there it is back again. There are a lot of keyboard shortcuts that you're going to want to learn. It makes it much easier than using a mouse. For example, cutting is Control-X. And there's Control-X. Undo is Alt-Backspace. And much easier when you learn how to do the keyboard shortcuts. You also have a multi-track mixing screen, and that is accessed by either F12, the keyboard shortcut, or this button right here. And what you first have to do is take something from here and send it over to the editing screen, or the multi-track screen. And that is actually Control-M. So we'll Control-M that waveform, and there it's now been moved over here. Now you can add other waveforms here, here, here. You can move them by right-clicking and dragging. You can change track to track. And this basically is your mixing screen. So let's say you've recorded a voice track here. You want to add another voice track. You can either butt it up to the end, or you can crossfade the two by putting the other one down here. You can have a music track going under the entire thing behind here, and all these are dragged over either from the main recording screen, or right-click here and insert a wave from File. So let's choose a song, and it downloads, and it's going to place that in the third pair of tracks down here. And now we can move that around relative to the talk we have up here. And some of the basics there of digital editing with Cool Edit. Now, Cool Edit is not the only program you can use. There are some available as freeware and shareware. You can search the internet for those. If you've ever bought a CD burner, chances are it came with some sort of free editing software. So there's lots of options for you as far as digital editing.